Yesterday I collected 8 full-size double brood box hives from a beekeeper who isn't here anymore in the pouring rain. And today I've got to finish the job. I've got to finish moving these boxes and I've got to do it properly. Today is cold, windy and wet. Yesterday it was no better, but luckily I managed to get an old van from a family member and we got it all in one trip. Probably it would have been a few trips in my car, so I'm really glad I had access to the van. It's a bit of an old van and I wasn't sure it was going to make the whole journey. Fortunately it got us back just fine. The van was absolutely rammed, full of stuff. There's no way I would have fit it all in the car. Probably would have been about 8 journeys in the car at least. So I'm really happy that I had the van at my disposal. There's something quite humbling about handling equipment that's been used for keeping bees for years. It's not just wood and frames and wax, this is someone's legacy. And it continues with me. Now, they are older hives. You can see they've had a lot of years, but they've been well looked after and been well loved. But they are going to need a little bit of TLC. Now, I don't have anywhere near enough storage space for all this kit. So with the hives, I've put some pallets out in the apiary, I've assembled them up, and I'll be storing them here until the weather gets better and I can get through them and give them a good sort through. The boxes are going to need a good scorch and the frames are going to need re-waxing, but I'll get to that when the weather gets a bit better. Now, the expansion goals for this year is 20 colonies and I've already got enough kit to potentially get us there. So this additional kit will serve as infrastructure for expansion in 2027. So I'm in no major rush to get this sorted out. It's just going to need a little bit of TLC and it'll be as good as new. Well, I suppose I better crack on then. Oh, so there we go then. That's all the colonies sorted. It's not ideal having them outside, but it's the best I can do. They're all strapped up. They should be quite watertight. When the weather gets a little bit better, I'll go through them all and get them ready to house the future generation of bees here at the Honeyherd Apiary. Thanks ever so much for stopping by. Hope you guys are all ready for spring and I'll see you in the next video.